Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are here again to show you an amazing project which we have recently completed in Ahmedabad. So the unique part of this project was the client was sitting in US. Our home office base location is in Pune and the project we have designed and executed which is in Ahmedabad. So we have thoroughly enjoyed this process and the client's interaction and their brief and their input, everything was so clear that we had not have any challenges in designing and execution, and we thoroughly loved this project. So let me show you how we have designed and executed this amazing project. So let's start.
શ્યામા ચાર રસ્તા ઇન્દ્રપત ગીરીમાંથી બોલું છું. અમારા નવા ફ્લેટમાં ઇન્ટિરિયર ડિઝાઇનનું કામ પલકસા ઇન્ટિરિયર એણે કામ કરેલું છે. ખૂબ જ વ્યવસ્થિત રીતે અને ઝડપથી કામ અમને કરી આપ્યું છે અને અમને ખૂબ સંતોષ છે.
અમને ખૂબ જ ગમ્યું છે એનું કામ અને ઇન ટાઈમ બતાવી આપે છે.
Hi guys, so see, this is the entrance of the house and we have this beautiful safety door over here with the wooden paneling on the frame. So safety door has the first impression of your house. It has to look elegant and classy, but at the same time it should also solve the functionality also, because whenever I'm standing inside and somebody is coming, I should have the proper vision who is standing outside. Plus on the other hand, if you just want to give the keys or take some envelope, then you should be able to do that also. So now we have this wooden safety door with the frame, and then we have this powder coated SS grill for the ventilation also. So then let's come in and I'll show you the house. So let me first show you how we have designed this living area in the 3D. So once you enter in the house, you have this huge beautiful space. So यहाँ पे जो living है and the kitchen है, kitchen has the open kitchen concept. So you see throughout and it looks very elegant also. Now on this side, when we enter, we have this huge wall. So we have created TV unit on this wall, TV unit and a shoe rack. So first of all, we have this shoe rack cum console. On the bottom we have this open space जहाँ पे नीचे आप क्लीनिंग के लिए भी इजी रहता है, एंड सेकेंडली जो हाउस स्लीपर्स वगैरह है वो आप इजीली ऐड कर सकते हो. ऑन द शटर्स वी हैव दिस ग्रू डिजाइंस एंड देन ऑन द टॉप वी हैव kept some space so that we can open the shutter like this, so that we did not wanted to put any handle or knobs on this. We wanted to give a very nice and neat look. So as you can see, ये पूरा जो टीवी यूनिट, शू रैक और कंसोल है, वहाँ पे हमने एक भी हैंडल्स वगैरह यूज नहीं किए हैं. So these are the shutters and you can use it as a console and show rack. On this top we have this ledge जो कि बाहर आ रहा है थोड़ा सा. So उसका फंक्शनल रीजन भी है कि we are keeping something, so वो गिरने के चांसेस भी नहीं रहते हैं. Secondly, it gives you a very neat look and it creates one visual boundary also. On the other side we have this TV unit. तो ये जो TV unit है उससे हमें 3 लेवल में बनाया हुआ है. So on two sides the similar groove design we have taken, but as you can see कि ये इसकी width थोड़ी ज़्यादा है, तो यहाँ पे हमने थोड़े से grooves ज़्यादा लिए हुए हैं. And over here we have the minimalistic groove. For the top we have the wooden laminate, and then on the center we have this profile glass, so that कोई भी setup box वगैरह आपको रखना है, so it is easy to keep it inside, but at the same time वो visible भी नहीं रहेगा. On this shutter we have this push magnet shutter, so that you can open it easily, and again you don't have to put the handles or knobs over there. The back wall is our highlighter wall. So as you can see, as per the exact 3D we have done the wallpaper in customization, because we wanted the similar look over here. So this is our highlighter wall and TV accent wall. Now let me show you the sofa arrangement. So now this is the living sitting side. So as you can see the ceiling designing, we have done some abstract ceiling over here, but at the same time जो हमने जैसे कि टीवी बैक के पीछे accent wall में wallpaper लिया है, उसमें भी you can see the geometrical design, right? So the same we have coordinated on the ceiling also. So whenever we are putting some loud design on the wall or ceiling, please try and adjust it in the entire room, giving a hint some or other way, because it looks wholesome. So as you can see, the wallpaper and the ceiling actually goes nicely with the abstract design. So now we have these skirts and we have this LED hidden lights inside which gives a very nice look. यहाँ पे पूरे में हमने black fixture लगाए हुए हैं. It also complements the wooden color theme which we have taken over here. Coming to the sofa sitting, we have this lounger over here and then we have this nice big 3-seater, comfortable 3-seater over here. So this sofa and this lounger we have customized it and we have selected this upholstery also in the same coordination which we wanted, and then we have this pop-up loose cushions to enhance the look. Now we have the center table and the side unit which is also customized by us. So we have this nice cute round center table over here which is powder coated on the base, and we have this open space and it is not very heavy in the weight also. So because they have kids also, we wanted to keep things which are not harmful to them and it's easy to move around. So that's why the round edges is always safer than the rectangular or square edges. Same thing we have done over here. We have this side unit which is also in the similar shape of the center table, and then we have this base which is also powder coated, and this is the Duco finish side unit. So it goes really nice, and at the same time we have enough open space to roam around. So this looks very spacious also, and the color combination is also not very loud. So overall जो हमने grey, brown और जो mustard orange लिया हुआ है, that looks wholesome in the entire living area. So यहाँ पे in the living area as you can see कि जो भी TV unit के legs है, shoe rack के legs है, lounger, then the center table and the sofa, वो सारे legs हमने एक symmetry में लिया हुआ है which is the golden and little slanted, and that has the same buffer, black buffer which all the furniture has. This was possible because हमने यहाँ पे sofa and center table और सब कुछ customize किया हुआ है. Otherwise ये हो जाता है if you are getting the sofa और center table from somewhere else, तो वो match करना difficult हो जाता है. But the symmetry looks very nice and seamless. So that is also a benefit when you are getting everything customized from the one place. So now let me show you the kitchen side. So first let me show you how we have designed this kitchen in the 3D. So this is the kitchen as you have seen in the 3D. हमने मॉड्यूलर कंटेम्पररी किचन डिजाइन किया है. तो दिस इज द ओपन किचन कंसेप्ट. सो यहाँ से इफ आई एम स्टैंडिंग आई कैन सी द मेन डोर. सो दिस इज एक्चुअली द बेस्ट पार्ट, एंड वन मोर थिंग इज दैट कि यहाँ पे बिकॉज इट्स ओपन किचन इट इज ऑलवेज नीडेड कि सामने की तरफ आप थोड़ा सा पोर्शन जो है एटलीस्ट यहाँ पे जैसे 1 फीट का पैक किया हुआ है वो पैक रहे, बिकॉज फंक्शनली व्हेन इट इज ओपन किचन अगर सामने से कोई भी आ रहा है so if you are having a mess kitchen, so it's not an issue because it will be hidden over there. यहाँ से आप when you are cooking or you are standing over here, it is easily connected with the living area. You can see the sofa sitting, you can see the main door, so you always feel connected, and the space also looks very open. So that is the benefit of the open kitchen. So we have this sink in the corner. Sink के नीचे का हमने जो storage किया है, that is a utility storage. Then we have shutter with shelf. Then we have this shutters and trolleys. यहाँ पे हमने पूरा modular kitchen लिया हुआ है. So we have this trolleys according to the concept which we generally use, and it is ergonomically also correct. But the same time हम जो भी डिजाइन करते हैं किचन का, जो भी क्लाइंट रहने वाले हैं उनकी लाइफस्टाइल के हिसाब से भी we discuss with them how much storage you want, how much trolley you want. Based on that we have designed this. So as you can see here we have the thali storage. So whenever we are designing the kitchen, we generally try कि जो भी color combination है वो kitchen का अलग से भी ले सकते हैं. But here, as you can see, it is an open kitchen concept. So we wanted little touch of the entire living area also over here. So जो color concept है वो हमने pastel and mild में गए हुए नीचे. We have given a hint of wooden on the top because as you can see entrance में हमारा जो भी TV unit था, shoe rack था, main door था, वहाँ पे भी हमने wooden hint लिया हुआ है. So the same thing we wanted to match it on this side, and when you enter in the house you see this wall actually. So that's why we have given the combination of this grey and wood over here. Then we have this service platform on the other side. This was a blank wall. We wanted a storage, but at the same time we wanted it to be open also. So we have kept this space open and we have put this nice LED light over here. So when the kitchen is not in working stage but you are having the guest over here, if you keep only this light on, it looks very elegant. We have this space for the preparation and the utility storage. Then we have this drawer, and then we have these shutters with these grooves. So it is always a good idea to give grooves and not the handle in the kitchen, so that when you are walking standing like this, handle आपको बीच में नहीं आते हैं. And then we have these drawers over here, which also has the groove on the bottom, and these all are soft close. We have this nice tall unit over here. So यहाँ पे काफी storage हो जाता है. Inside we have given the shelf. This is the open space where they can keep their electronics, and then we have this drawer over here to keep the stuff. So this is the kitchen counter, and on top of that we have provided the loft, which is also in matching of the laminate, which we have selected on the bottom part for both the sides. So this is about the kitchen. Now let me show you the master bedroom of the house. So this is the kitchen. As you have seen in the 3D, हमने modular contemporary kitchen design किया है. So this is the open kitchen concept. So यहाँ से if I'm standing, I can see the main door. So this is actually the best part. And one more thing is that कि यहाँ पे because it's an open kitchen, it is always needed कि सामने की तरफ आप थोड़ा सा पोर्शन जो है एटलीस्ट यहाँ पे जैसे 1 फीट का पैक किया हुआ है वो पैक रहे, बिकॉज फंक्शनली व्हेन इट इज ओपन किचन अगर सामने से कोई भी आ रहा है so if you are having the mess kitchen, so it's not an issue because it will be hidden over there. यहाँ से आप when you are cooking or you are standing over here, it is easily connected with the living area. You can see the sofa sitting, you can see the main door, so you always feel connected, and the space also looks very open. So that is the benefit of the open kitchen. So we have this sink in the corner. Sink के नीचे का हमने जो storage किया है, that is a utility storage. Then we have shutter with shelf. यहाँ पे हमने हैंडल नहीं लिए हुए. यहाँ पे हमने पूरा मॉड्यूलर किचन लिया हुआ है. So we have this trolleys according to the concept which we generally use, and it is ergonomically also correct. But the same time हम जो भी डिजाइन करते हैं किचन का, जो भी क्लाइंट रहने वाले हैं उनकी लाइफस्टाइल के हिसाब से भी we discuss with them how much storage you want, how much trolley you want. Based on that we have designed this. So as you can see here we have the khali storage. So whenever we are designing the kitchen, we generally try कि जो भी color combination है वो kitchen का अलग से भी ले सकते हैं. But here as you can see it is an open kitchen concept. So we wanted little touch of the entire living area also over here. So जो color concept है वो हमने pastel and mild में गए हुए नीचे. We have given a hint of wooden on the top because as you can see entrance में हमारा जो भी TV unit था, shoe rack था, main door था, वहाँ पे भी हमने wooden hint लिया हुआ है. So the same thing we wanted to match it on this side, and when you enter in the house in that as well. So as you can see for this room हमने जो भी color palette select किया है that is a muted classic contemporary color board. Client did not wanted any pop color in this room. They wanted a minimalistic and calm colors. So यहाँ पे as you can see we have this bed first of all and we have this headboard. यहाँ पे हमने tapestry cushioning किया हुआ है headboard के ऊपर and the same color we have in the laminate on the base of the bed. This is a hydraulic bed with storage. So we have this side table on the bed side. So यहाँ पे हमने एक drawer with the pull out knob कर दिया है and it has the white color on that. So it looks very classic. और नीचे का जो पोर्शन है हमने पूरा ओपन रखा हुआ है so that visually भी आपको open space लगता है and secondly cleaning के लिए भी it is very easy. On the other side we have this wardrobe. So ये जो wardrobe है वो पूरा हमने as I mentioned muted color में लिया हुआ है with the pastel tone on that and we have the loft on top of that. So यहाँ का जो space था हमने ऐसे divide किया हुआ है कि first portion we have kept for the dresser and then we have two slider openable shutters for the wardrobes. यहाँ पे हमने ड्रेसर स्टार्टिंग में ले लिया है so that whenever you are entering in this passage so you have this free space to for the circulation. और ये जो ड्रेसर की डेप्थ होती है it is always little less than the wardrobe depth. wardrobe का डेप्थ होता है that is 2 feet and जो ड्रेसर का डेप्थ होता है that is mostly 9 inches to 1 feet. तो यहाँ पे अगर हम wardrobe पहले ले लेते हैं तो it looks heavy on the eye and ड्रेसर एकदम कोने में चला जाता है. So what we have done over here is कि ड्रेसर को हमने फ्रंट साइड में रखा हुआ है and then we have our wardrobe. So now this dresser has the storage behind. So you can open it from the side and it has nice storage inside and this has nice mirror also. So then we have this switchboard over here and always when we make the dresser unique वहाँ पे जो भी हमारा नीचे का ड्रेसर का स्टोरेज होता है and we have this opening of the shutter. तो सेंटर में we keep minimum 6 inches to 9 inches depending on the requirement because whenever you are getting ready first of all you need the switchboard over there for the dryer or trimmer or any electronics you are using. But secondly whenever you are getting ready you keep stuff on this top. So you have to make sure कि आपको फिर वो ओपन करने के लिए शटर वो स्टफ सारा जो भी आपका आप रेडी करने के लिए नीचे रखे हो वो हटाना नहीं पड़े. अगर ये शटर को हम नीचे तक ले लेते हैं to get more storage you can't keep anything on the top while you are getting ready because when you open this shutter it will get hit by the shutter. So make sure that you keep this space open. Then we have these two drawers for the dresser unit storage. Also one more thing over here is whenever we are making any dresser we make sure that we have a light on top of that because whatever designing we have on the ceiling but when you are getting ready you need a proper light. So यहाँ पे loft में हमने नीचे surface पे we have kept one light to use it for the dressing purpose. So this is the dresser. Now on the wardrobe we have this design of the grooves. So we have done this design and it looks very classy. On top of that we have the same combination of the color which we have used for this shutter and on the sides we have pastel dark color on the same tone. So this is it for this side and now let me show you how we have selected the curtains. So now we have these curtains over here. जो curtain का shade है combination है we have tried to go for again a pastel muted tone and it is blending so nicely with the entire theme of the room. यहाँ पे भी हमने जो डिजाइन किया है उसमें we have taken one pelmet and channel और stud दोनों अंदर hide हो जा रहे हैं. For the ceiling we have this contemporary classic ceiling with 4 lights. Indirect light का भी हमने अच्छे से provision दिया हुआ है because I personally feel कि indirect light looks very nice and elegant when you want just a tint of lights. Also we have this beautiful corner hanging light on the bed side. So this is it for the master bedroom. Let me show you the kids room now. So this is the daughter's room. Let me first show you how we have designed this room in the 3D. So जो client का brief हमें मिला था for this particular room, it was like they wanted a flash of color in the room. At the same time, they did not wanted it very bright and they wanted it to look classy, elegant, but at the same time, उनकी जो daughter है, उनकी जो liking है, वो भी incorporate होनी चाहिए. So let me show you how we have designed this. So first of all, we have this bed. So उसमें the highlight of this bed is this upholstery bed bag. As you can see, हमने यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा crown effect वाला headboard लिया हुआ है. And this is fully upholstery. ये जो है velvet touch वाला upholstery है, and this looks very nice. We have given this groove to make it more elegant, and then we have this storage bed, which has the hydraulic uplifted storage. On the sides, we have this bed unit, which has this 2 drawers. We have selected white color for the drawers because we wanted this peach pink color to get highlighted over here. So then we have this golden putty to enhance the drawers, and we have this soft close drawers which opens with the knob. यहाँ पे हमने ध्यान रखा है कि knobs वगैरह हमने हो सके उतने circular इसलिए लिए हैं कि sharp edges ना रहे, because there are kids in the house. After this, we have selected this very beautiful 2 hanging lights on the bed side. And this is also multicolor lights. It looks very nice, and if you notice, the base of this light also matches with the entire theme which we have selected for this room. So ये जो पूरा रूम है उसमें हमें एक highlighter element और भी ऐड किया हुआ है. That is the ceiling of this room. So यहाँ पे हमने जो ceiling ली है, we have put some colors on the ceiling, and also we have made this beautiful cloud ceiling. तो यहाँ पे हमने एक ओवरऑल एक पैच ले लिया है जहाँ पे हमारे रूम की जो मेजर लाइट्स है वो कंसील लाइट आ जाए, एंड ऑल्सो द हैंगिंग लाइट विच वी वांटेड वो भी हो जाए. बट इन द सेंटर ऑफ द सीलिंग वी हैव केप्ट दिस 3 colorful clouds which looks very nice. It also has back LED on that. So when every light is shut, only these 3 lights are on. It also works as a night lamp, and it gives a very nice and cool look also, which is must in the kids room. So this is the ceiling design. After that, we have designed this beautiful dresser for them. So in this we have taken the full height mirror like this, and then we have this border which gives a nice finishing look to the entire dresser, and then we have these 2 drawers. So यहाँ पे जो edge है वहाँ पे हमने pastel peach color जो लिया हुआ है वो लिया हुआ है. Center as the side unit we have matched it with the white color combination. So and then we have given this curve because when you are standing like this is the edge which is going to be exposed. So we wanted it to be very smooth, and ताकि वो safety hazard भी ना रहे. So on the top and even on the bottom also we have given the smooth curve to the drawers, and the drawers opens like this so they can use it properly. So as you can see, because we have this curve over here, we have packed that much of portion from inside so that it is properly in the working condition. So this is the dresser of the room. Now let me show you the wardrobe part. So now this is the wardrobe which we have over here. So it is a 2-door slider wardrobe. यहाँ पे if you notice we have gone for a matte white color. उसके ऊपर हमने ये golden टी पट्टी से पूरा डिजाइनिंग किया है, जिसका coordination you can also check with the side units and the loft, because whenever we are doing any project, any room, it is must कि वो कोई एक जगह पे हम उसका hint देके छोड़ ना दे. The entire room should look in one connectivity. So we have taken this design overall, but at the same time it should not be too loud also. So हमने जहाँ पे जैसे यहाँ पे if you can see we have this big size design, but at the same time जो हमारे side units है उसपे वही design हमने compress कर ली है, so that it is having the symmetry but it should not look too loud also. Now here we have selected the matte laminate. उसका भी ये हमारा thought था कि because this टी पट्टी is glossy, so अगर यहाँ पे हमने एकदम glossy ले लिया तो it will look very jazzy. So whenever we are having this 2 different material, we make sure कि वो contrast में रहे to give it a better look. After that, on the loft also we have done the same designing in the continuation. Now here we have this wooden handle, which is also in the symmetry of the outer material which we have. One more detail which we always make sure कि जहाँ पे भी जरूरत हो वहाँ पे we do the customization. जो भी यहाँ पे हमारे क्लाइंट्स रहते हैं या कोई भी साइट हम करते हैं, एवरी क्लाइंट यूजेस द फर्नीचर, द एंटायर रूम इन अ डिफरेंट वे डिपेंडिंग ऑन देयर एज, देयर लाइफस्टाइल. So as for example, we have this slider wardrobe and it has this concealed light inside. So now what the problem was कि यहाँ पे it was not easy for them to open this shutter back. So it has a soft close, but the shutter gets flushed in the same level. So what we have done is we have kept the buffer beside so that they can easily hold this buffer and get this door out, and they can easily pull it and shut it. So these are small modification which we do as per the client's lifestyle and their usage, but it works the best with them, and at the end they are going to use, so it has to be user friendly for them. So this is the wardrobe and loft. Now we have this big window on the other side. So on this side we have this big opening and we have this curtain. So curtain का जो color and material है, that we have matched with the entire color which we have in this room. The main thing over here is we have made this pelmet to hold the curtains. और जब भी आप curtain ऐसे channel पे hang करते हो, we always suggest कि नीचे का जो उसका panel है, go for a ply packing. Otherwise eventually ये curtain और channel वो लोड नहीं ले पाएगा, और वो पीओपी में अगर आपने ये चैनल लगाया है, देयर आर चांसेस कि वो ब्रेक हो जाएगा और ये पूरा गिर सकता है. सो लाइक दिस यू कैन सी वी हैव दिस चैनल ऑन द बेस ऑफ द प्लाई ओवर हियर, एंड आगे की जो पेलमेट है उसको हमने 2 इंच नीचे लिया हुआ है, सो दैट जो भी कर्टेन की चैनल का पार्ट है और उसके जो बिट्स है वो अंदर हाइड हो जाए. सो दिस इज अबाउट दिस रूम. Now let me show you the guest bedroom. So this is the guest bedroom. यहाँ पे we wanted to make it very minimalistic. So let me first show you how we have designed it in the 3D. So as you can see in the 3D, we have this beautiful tall wardrobe over here. और जैसा हमने 3D में डिजाइन किया है, exactly same we have implemented on the side. So as you can see, this wooden handles are also the same handles which we have kept in the 3D. So we always try कि जो भी हम 3D बना रहे हैं उससे at least 90% का जो भी on site execution है, selection है, वो similar हो. Because whenever client is approving the design on 3D, they are visualizing the space based on every aspect which we are providing in the 3D, right? So we try and match whichever item is possible as per the 3D to execute on the side. So as you can see, the handles are also same as per the 3D, and this is a very nice and elegant handle. We have taken this pastel shade laminate, and this is the openable door. On the same side we have done this T-patti paneling on the wardrobe, and you can open this wardrobe like this because this is a openable wardrobe. We have made the divisions inside as per the client's requirement. The shutters are soft close shutters. On the top we have this loft which is a openable loft, and we have given this small grooves on the bottom of the shutter to open it easily. So this is about the guest bedroom. So this is it about this beautiful 3 BHK in Ahmedabad. So if you like our work, please like, share and subscribe. We put our 100% efforts in doing our work and making these videos, and it means a lot if you guys like and share our work. So you can also follow us on our Instagram handle, that is Palaksha Interiors. Stay tuned. Thank you. Bye.